Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setup for today. So, pretty interesting that we have got a decent pullback with a bit of a trend break. I think the best thing we can do here is just clean up the chart quickly. So, there are a couple of things that I'm looking at the moment. So this pullback is being desperately needed. It needs to come further down. So we do need a bit more out of this. Now, the first thing that is on the cards here is this double top. There it is there. Not really playing out on the 8 hour. You can see the buyers have stepped in and driving price up. Nothing really materializing for a continuation to the downside. But that does give us the first measured move. So that is an area that I'd be looking at. Now, if we just come to the 3 hour, trend is still up at the moment. There's no reason to be thinking any otherwise. We've got to cross over the moving averages. We've got to cross over the oscillators, and we are still above the 155 EMA at the moment. A bit of a consolidation triangle forming at the moment, probably clearer on the hour. So, what exactly is going on at the moment? We have got a rejection of the moving averages on the hour. Let's just put this neckline in here for the double bottom. So we did get a back above it yesterday, so it didn't really validate it. At the moment, we are testing it. So if we stay below this 43.20, 43.17 area, if we reject this, there should be another move down to 42.73. But remember, this is the S&P 500, and generally people don't like selling this. So that is your trend line at the moment, and you'd probably be better off just getting down to the 15-minute today and just getting this something like that. Okay. All right, so you can see a bit of intersection trend lines here on the 15 as well. A bit of a cup and handle for a move up, trending down. A whole lot of stuff happening here. The key to all of this at the moment is this level of 43. Let me just get it so we can get it almost perfect. There we go. So you can see 4300 is the level down here, and you can see no real support on it, just above and below it. The buyers and sellers trying to drive it above or below 4300. So for me, I want to see another move down. I do want to see a bigger move, a bit more consolidation to the downside. Something down here, 4270, 4200 is kind of what I'd be looking for. But if you look to the left on the hour, you can see we did kind of bounce off the 4300, and that is what's in play right now. So, going to sit on hands until the European Open is well underway. Probably only look at this again on the US Open, because just looking at the higher time frames, especially the 8 hour, oscillators are pointing down. We are drifting apart, but I want to see either this kind of setup brewing or this. But we need a bit of a deeper pullback. We need a place where the bulls are going to see the value and pile in quickly, which will give us a big squirt up. Anyway, so that's it for me today. Really, just sit on hands at the moment and wait to see if this thing's going to fall more, or if we're going to break this consolidation that's forming. Sorry, I didn't brought it in. Break this consolidation that's forming back to the upside. That's kind of what I'm waiting for. So level line in the sand is 43.17 or 43.20. If we get above it, find support there, then I would expect us to come back to the top. If we reject this, then I would expect us to continue falling to 42.73 to get that double top target. Okay, anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.